Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael. I just bought this GreenPan Electric Skillet. I did an unboxing on my channel. I'll put that link in the description box below. Go check out that unboxing if you're interested in a electric skillet. This might be something that you'd be interested in. So let's cook the first meal in this, and we'll take my lid off of it that I've got here, and let's make a one-pot breakfast. So the instructions said to cook eggs and things. I needed that on medium, so I'm going to go ahead and start heating up my pan to medium here, and the controls are here on the side, and we'll let that start heating up. I've got just a little bit of oil in there. I'm going to be cooking an open face omelet with sausage, eggs, cheese, and tomatoes on it, and then we'll be making some toast all in the one pan. So we're going to let this oil heat up just a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and put our sausage in. And this I've just broken up. This is about a half a pound of sausage that I've got here. That didn't take very long at all for that to heat up. You saw when I turned that on how fast that did come up to temperature. And let's give this a good little cook here. We want to make sure we get this broken up and gets it nice and brown. And let's test out different areas of the pan to see if it's going to be cooking in different areas. I'm going to move the sausage out to the sides. That way we can see if we're going to get even heating on the outside. And we do have even heating on the outside, so the GreenPan here is doing what it is supposed to be doing. We've got the whole surface here that we're cooking with, and we'll continue to break this up. And this is their non-stick version pan that they've got here. So we'll see how the eggs and everything do with our first cooking of this. If you have one of these GreenPans, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you what you use it for, and if you've ever used it in this manner where we're cooking a one pan type of breakfast. All right, my sausage is almost done. I've got just a little bit of poblano peppers here. I'm gonna put just a little bit of those in. I took the membranes and the seeds out to take that heat out of there. And I'm just gonna put a few of those in to cook. All right, that is almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and get my eggs here. And I've got 6 eggs, and I'm just gonna put in a little salt and pepper for those. And we'll do some more season to taste as these cook. And let's give these a scramble. All right, we've got our eggs seasoned now. Let's go back and check on our sausage. This is coming together really quickly, and I like the fact that we've got one pan here for this. I want this sausage to be completely done. Those peppers are really smelling really nice. If you don't have poblanos, you can definitely use the bell peppers if you like those. Or you can put some onions in it. If you've got some onions, you can cut some of those up. All right, my sausage is done now. Let's get our eggs back over here. And let's put our eggs in over the top of that. And let's just give that a good mix through so we get those eggs started cooking. This is looking really nice. All right, so let's go ahead and push this over to the side, and we'll make some toast in this, and we'll let these eggs finish firming up on that. So I've got just a couple of pats of butter here that we'll put in for each piece of our toast. And I've got some of this sprouted grain bread, so let's put some of that in, and we'll let that cook over here, and we'll come back over here and check on our eggs. This is looking really good. I like this idea of cooking everything in the one pan. All right, so we've got the eggs now. They have firmed up on that. And let's get a little bit of cheese on the top of those. Who doesn't like cheese? We'll sprinkle some of this around. We can even add some more once we get it ready to plate. But we'll put just a little bit on top and let that go ahead and start melting on the top. Let's put just a few more of these peppers on the top just for a little bit of garnish and add a little bit of color to it. And I've got some tomatoes that I've cut up here, and let's put some of those around on the top. Let's check on our toast and see where we're at with that. That's coming along nicely. Let's let that bread cook a little bit longer. Our eggs over here and our sausage for our open face scramble that we've got here is looking really good. We'll let that toast cook a little bit longer. And if we need to, we can always come back and put that another turn on the back side of that again. All right, let's get a little bit of our egg mixture out of here. We'll take a little bit of this out of this corner right here. And I'm going to take some of this cheese and we'll put that right there. I'm going to go ahead and turn my pan off. We'll check on this toast and see how it's doing. It's doing really good. I'm going to go ahead and get me this other little bit here for my breakfast here and push that over to the side. I'm just going to add a few more tomatoes to the top of these. I love these fresh tomatoes that we've got here. And we'll put a little bit more cheese on there. We'll check on my toast now to see how it's doing. That looks really good, how that has browned up nicely on that. So this looks really nice here. I've got my eggs here with all of my different things on it as an open face omelet scramble that we've got there. We've got our toast. I'm really liking how this one skillet came together with everything. So let's give this a try and see how this tastes. Absolutely delicious. Give me another bite. Really good. This is really fast. This is a one-pan dish. I think you're going to like this as much as I've liked it as well. I'll put that link in the description box below where I got this. Leave me a comment if you go get one, or if you have one, I'd love to hear from you. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of these other two videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Check this electric skillet out. It might be your next purchase. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye now.